Welcome to the instructions video for the Simple Pendulum Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate the key properties of a simple pendulum, including its period, frequency, length, and the gravitational acceleration acting on it. It's perfect for physics students, educators, and anyone working with oscillatory motion. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter the known values for your pendulum problem. Start by entering the pendulum length in meters. For example, let's use 1.5 meters. Next, input the gravitational acceleration. On Earth, this is typically 9.81 meters per second squared. You can also specify the angle of release if needed. Once you've entered your known values, the calculator will determine the period, which is how long it takes for one complete swing, and the frequency, which tells you how many oscillations occur per second. The results will show you all the calculated values, along with the formulas used. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.